everyone, it's Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com, and if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I'm always bitching and moaning about how I'm sick of getting older and I hate my sagging skin and wrinkles. And I have gotten Botox and fillers before, but this year I got nothing back on my tax return, so I couldn't afford it, and I'm feeling really sad. So I have been looking around and I've been seeing videos of people using instant facelifts with tape and extensions, and I'm like, people are spending a lot of money on this stuff. And I saw this one video where they used like a hair extension that was 2 clips with pretty much a rubber band, and I'm like, you know what? I have something like that at home, and I'm gonna try to make one myself. And I'm gonna show you my own white trash version of how to make your own facelift extensions at home. No needles and no surgery required. So first off, I have these amazing hot pink fake hair extensions, and they have these little clips on the back. And I decided that, you know what, I'm never gonna wear these again. What do you think? Is it me? Yeah, it's back from when I had long hair back in the 90s. Yeah, I miss my long hair. But they have these little clips on the back, and it's just basically sewn onto that, and I'm gonna remove this little clip, and you're gonna see what I do. So I'm just gonna cut it. This is still intact, so if you still want to use it again someday, all you gotta do is just sew it back onto this little clip. But now I have my little clip. See? And next, I'm gonna use I have a little box of just plain old rubber bands that I got from Target, but you can get them anywhere. And I'm gonna take the thinnest one that I can find and cut it. Put a little edge on it. I don't know if you can see that. So that I can stick it through the hole on here. Like that. And then I'm gonna tie it in a knot. So I can get it on there. Nice and tight. Yeah, I'm gonna do a double knot just in case. Then I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna stick it through the other clip here. And where I'm gonna give it a little edge so that it goes in like a needle. Like that. I'm gonna make a knot on the other side. And then I'm going to take another rubber band and attach it to the other side as well. Let's cut off make our little edges there so that they can go through easily. And we're going to attach it to the other side, to the hole on the other side. These clips are super tiny, so it's a little bit harder to push this elastic through. My elastic's a little bit big too. There we go. Take it and knot it. All right, let's try to make it as even as we can. And knot it once. And one more time. Okay. Make sure it's really tight, and then I'm just going to clip off the excess. Ta-da! And I'm going to be honest with you, it would probably be better if you actually use a covered rubber band as opposed to these things that come on like your newspaper or wrap papers together, because I'm afraid this might stick in my hair, but we will find out. Next, you're going to have to figure out where on your hair you want the lift. So let's try pulling some hair back. So I want to lift like right around here on my temple. So I'm going to separate my hair right here and pull out where I'm going to have this lifted. I'm just gonna hold it back for a minute like that. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. I want it like right here. So I'm gonna pull my hair back on this side too. And we're going to separate the hair. We're gonna make a big part because this is where the top of the hair is what's gonna cover it. So I'm gonna part my hair all the way across the top. All right, so I finished parting my hair and putting it up. You can kind of see. It's not perfect. It does not need to be perfect. It's just, can you hear my stomach, you guys? Oh my gosh. It just needs to be up so that we can start doing our hair. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of hair here and make it and twist it like super tight. See how it's lifting out my eye right there? And I'm gonna take my little clippy, shove it in there, and clip it down. Oh, that didn't really work. So I'm gonna take my hair, twist it, make sure it's like pulling back on your skin. You see how it's doing that? I'm gonna try to get it. You can also braid it if you want. I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm just gonna use it like that. Take my little extension clip. You want the comb side down so that it's gripping your hair. Get it in there. And then I'm quickly gonna do the same thing with the other side. I'm gonna twist my hair. Make sure it's pulling on my face. I'm gonna hold it there with my finger. I'm gonna bring the clip to the other side. Get it as tight as I can. Twisted. It is twisted, isn't it? I can feel it. But you know what? Look. Look it. My face is lifted. Woo, woo, woo! Now I'm going to take my hair down. Oh my God, you guys. Maybe I should fix that. It's all up on one side. Maybe I pulled my hair in the wrong spot. Maybe I should go a little bit higher with my hair. Maybe I shouldn't have pulled it so tight. What do you think? That's better. Okay. And then I'm just gonna brush my hair over it. Now, what do you think? Do my eyes look lifted? It's hard to tell. That's a lot of bangs, huh? What if I brush them to the side? Now I have a little bit of an instant facelift. And let's look at the back. Are you able to see it? I tell you, it feels kind of good. It feels like my skin is tighter and it makes me feel a little bit better. So there you have it, my little DIY facelift hack. No needles, no surgery. I cannot guarantee how long this is gonna stay in your hair. If the rubber band pops on you, I am not being held responsible, but try it yourself, see if you like it. And look, I even have my hair back away from my ears and you can't even tell that it's there. You may even be able to buy these little extension clips on their own. I'll look it up, and if I can find it, I will put the link up in my video below. So what do you think? You think you're gonna try this hack out for yourself? Leave me a comment, let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.